Hey everyone, this is Haley with Berlin Builds. So Christmas is just around the corner and I wanted to show you guys just a quick little craft that you guys can do for Christmas this season. I don't know what to call them exactly, but they're little Christmas village wood block crafts that we made out of extra material we had from previous projects. All this is a scrap piece of beadboard and leftover 2x6. So I want to show you guys how I did these. They're super easy. You can make them as decorative as you want or simple. I just went with the simple. And you can paint them any color you want. They're just kind of fun. So pretty much what I used for this project was a bandsaw. You can use a jigsaw pretty much for the whole project. Wood glue, paint, get some sandpaper, and I used my chop saw to make things go a little faster and a pin nailer. But other than that, you're set. Like this video. I am definitely not very crafty, but this one I thought was a pretty easy craft to do, and if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.